Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a Polish sausage. So let's get toasting. I've got some Miller's Uncured Polish sausage here. I haven't tried this before. I use the Miller's hot dogs sometimes and I like those, but I got some of these to try. So I've been eating these for a couple days. Anyway, what I did is I took one and sliced it down the middle just so it'll fit on the bread better, and I'm going to lay it down in this 10-inch cast iron skillet. Skillet's lightly oiled. And I've also have one of these take and bake baguettes. These are from the Essential Baking Company, and they come like wrapped in plastic like this, so they'll last like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 months. So they're pretty handy to keep around. And what you do is you just you bake them for a little bit. So I'm going to use this for my bread. I'm just going to put that right alongside the sausage there and get that into my toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on this. It's been about 7 minutes. Let's take a look here. My bread's looking pretty well toasted there, so I'm going to pull that out. And I think I'll put the sausage in for just a couple more minutes. Sausage has been in there for 10 minutes now. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I'm going to get that out of there. The sausage browned up pretty nicely. Let's see what the bottom side looks like. Oh yeah, looks good. I'll put it on my bread there. And I put some mustard and cut up some red onion and put it on the top piece. And we'll get that on there. There we go. I'm hungry. Let's try this out. That's pretty tasty. That bread makes a pretty good bun. Lanny showed up. You want to try some Polish sausage, Annie? There you go. Not bad, huh? Well, that was good. It was nice and easy. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.